Guys, would you rather look like this or like this? Here's a scary fact. 1 out of every 4 men experience notable hair loss by 30. How would you like to not only keep your hair, but make it thicker and fuller, all without expensive surgeries or treatments? Science has discovered the answer. Particles Hair Revival Kit is the new way to restore your thick, young, and healthy hair. It uses a 2-part process that's unlike anything else available. Part 1 is the Hair and Scalp Cream, a powerful blend of the best ingredients on the planet for hair growth. Part 2 is the silicone-based Scalp Massager. It stimulates circulation and ensures that the scalp absorbs the active ingredients in the cream effectively. And it's so easy to use. Just apply a small amount of cream to your scalp and rub it in with a massager. Whether you're in early or advanced stages of hair loss, Particles Hair Revival Kit will give you thicker, fuller hair within weeks. And your friends and family will say, "There's something different about you." Men everywhere are already seeing the results for themselves. We are confident our Hair Revival Kit is going to work for you. In fact, if your hair doesn't look and feel better in 30 days, you get your money back. No questions asked. You don't have to give up on ever having a thick head of hair again. Try Particles Hair Revival Kit today, risk-free.